Kevin, Bob, Stuart, Minions, yay! Yes, Minions all the rage at the moment, and McDonald's couldn't help themselves but include it in a McFlurry. A little bit of banana flavouring confectionery on top, chocolate syrup, and of course, soft serve. A banana choc McFlurry based around the Minions movies. Don't need to say much about the soft serve, it always tastes great. And with banana flavouring and choc combined, it's pretty good. The banana confectionery definitely has a banana flavour. It's a bit chewy, which I suppose you'd expect, and it tastes pretty good. Combination of the whole three things together tastes great. I'm thinking about the movie Minions. Makes it taste even better. Yes, well, if you're like me, you like kids' movies. So yes, I'll be watching Minions. The new movie, I've seen the old ones, and they're all great. Loved Despicable Me. Banana Choc McFlurry, based around the concept of Minions, and it tastes great. It's another, this is really good. May contain nuts. Well, not yet anyway. Haven't got to the nuts. I don't think mine contains nuts. $4.95, so I suppose it's not cheap. But anyway, it tastes great. Look at that again. That is just gigantic. Get a real close-up of all of that stuff. There's a lot of stuff in there. That's a lot of stuff. First up.